welcome to crazytechtricks.com. Well, today I will tell you a trick which will help you to turn off sound notification from your Facebook. You can just turn off this notification not from your personal computer Windows operating system, but also you can turn off while using a Mac. Well, it is very helpful because really people are now just getting irritating with this some sort of a sound which is being played while using your Facebook, and even when you get some sort of a message, then that sound is played. So people are really getting annoyed from all this kind of a notification, and they just want to just remove all these kinds of a things. While the people were just struggling with this feature, the Facebook introduced one more new feature, which was a pop-up notification. Yes, it's very have one of the most dangerous, I would say, the notification option. Well, it was not just organized, or I mean to say introduced by the Facebook, but it's an inbuilt in their Chrome. Yes, it's Chrome problem only, it's not your Facebook problem. So we be just gonna remove that thing also from our Chrome. Okay, so what that problem is, when someone is while opening a Facebook account, you just get some sort of a notification that you can click here, then you will get a pop-up notification. Well, we are not much aware, so what we did, we just click on that. Now when even someone just messages, and even when we have not opened our Facebook in our browser, then also that notification appear. Even when we are using another website, then also all these kinds of someone like your status, comment or message, then it not only just pop up the notification, it also shows up what the person has his or her has messaged you. So it's really creating a problem for the users. So don't worry, I would be just guiding you step by step. First of all, what we need to do, we just need to visit Facebook. Okay, I've just opened this Facebook account. Now what we're gonna do on the right hand side, as you could see here, I would be just clicking here. Here we'll be just visiting our settings of our Facebook. Here it is. While after just visiting my setting of the Facebook, on the left hand side you can see various kinds of options are present, from general, security, privacy, timeline, blogging, and etc. As you could see, here is an option is there, notifications. So what we need to do is we need to tap on that option. I just tapped here, is notification. Now what it will be doing, it will be showing me a notification setting, account related notifications, email, desktop, and it also provides a text message or notification. But now you will just gonna here on Facebook notification, as you could see all notification all sounds on. So what I need to do, I'll be just going here on the edit option. Here it is. Now as you could see, you have just you'll see every notification on Facebook, but you can turn off notification about specific posts. Yes, here it is a problem, play a sound whenever each notification is receiving, or play a sound when a message I receive. So what I need to do is here right hand side, I will be just going here for a off. Here it is. Now I really don't want Facebook to remind me when there is someone birthday on this day, etc. All these things have been just removed. So yeah, I have just removed all these kinds of a notification from this. There is no save option. So what I need to do, I need to just go back here and tap on the notifications. Here it is, I have tapped here. Now what it will be redirected me here, all notifications sounds off. So yes, I did it, I have just removed. Now what to do with that pop-up? Yeah, the pop-up which is appearing again and again when someone even just message you, it's here. As you could see a log here in the green sign, just at the back of your HTTPS, you'll be just getting this log. Now what you need to do, we need to just left click here. Okay, while just left click we are just doing here, now it be just showing us permission, connection, cookies, etc. What we need to do is site setting. As I said, that notification problem is not Facebook problem, it's a Chrome problem. So what we need to do, we need to just remove it from our extension or Chrome. So what I would be just doing, I would be just clicking here in the site setting. Now as you could see, cookies, all these options are okay. We should not change all these kinds of options. As you could see here, pop-ups have come arrived, while below cookies, images, JavaScript, handlers, plugins, and then pop-ups. Yes, here is the main option, the pop-up. Here we come, it says just showing us allow all site shows pop-ups. So what we need to do here, do not allow any site to show pop-ups, recommended. It's also a recommended thing, but as we just first time open our Facebook, then it just shows us that you want to enable that notification, so we have just enabled. And now what we are doing, we were just struggling, so I've just did here. Now what I need to do here, on the below the pop-ups. Now you'll be just coming on the notifications. Allow sites to show notifications. Ask when a site want to show notifications. Recommended, it's a default setting. So what I need to do, I need to tap on here also. Do not allow any site to show notifications. Now what we need to do, we need to just change two different options. One is a pop-up and another is a notifications. Okay, everything is done. No, nothing need to be changed. Now what I need to do is just come here at the right hand side, and below we will be finding an option of done. Just tap on it. Yes, you have done it. Now you have successfully just turn off sound notification from Facebook, and you have also just removed that pop-up which was appearing on your Facebook or any of your website. So that's all. It was very easy for you to remove all these kinds of search options. Thank you, thanks for watching, and I would be happy if you just comment below if you have any query or something, and any suggestion for the next video. And if you are facing any problem or just looking forward for any some sort of a trick related to anything, then you can just mail me at Crazy Tech Tricks, website name @gmail.com, crazytechtricks@gmail.com. You can just directly mail me, and you can just go on my website and look forward for there are plenty of tricks which are waiting for you. Thank you, thanks for watching, friends.